Now let's look at our last example over here. Find the differential. Sometimes this concept of differential can be confusing because we have derivative and then we have differential. When we take derivative, we also say differentiation. Somehow the names are not really that clear. So differential over here means the following simply. Suppose you have a function, y is a dependent variable, y is equal to, say, f of x. Then differential over here, dy, is simply f prime of x times dx. So to calculate differential is just the same as calculating the derivative, but after you do that, you multiply it by dx. The important thing is to understand the meaning of dy. So using this example, we can illustrate. So we say, suppose you have a change in the value of x, and the change of this value is dx. So dx over here is a change in x. Change in the value in x. So how much change you can have in the dependent variable y. For example, in this example over here, we have two values. One, x is 1, the other one is 1.05, and we want to know what's the difference over here. And the theory of the differential says that this difference is approximately dy, and that's what it is. Now why is that? Because we know derivative by its formula, dy over dx, is simply the derivative, right? So you can easily see that dy is going to be equal to f prime of x times dx. And that's just multiplying dx both sides. Even though dy over dx is a symbol, but we can interpret this way. It's not going to be a big problem. All right, or you can say delta y, the actual change, is approximately f prime of a and x minus a. And we simply call x minus a dx. Okay. Once we have understood this, calculating dy is just a simple process. So let's look at this problem over here. We have y is equal to square root of x plus 3. So, and we have x is equal to 1. Really just a is equal to 1. So what we have over here is this. So we have dy, find its differential. Takes derivative of this is 1 over 2 square root of x plus 3, and then dx. So that's the differential. And then we're going to find the value of dy. If dx, we know dx is the same as delta x because x is independent variable, and we have 0.05. So we're going to put this value over here. That's dx. And how about this x? X is equal to 1 because we are finding differential near point at 0.1 really. So dy is going to be simply 1 over 2 and 1 plus 3 and dx. And that's going to be 1 over 4 times dx is 0.05. And that's really 0.0125. I think that's the answer. All right. So dy is equal to this. So what it means is that this difference is approximately 0.0125. Okay, so that's the meaning of this differential.